Hi, 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 how is everyone today? Do-da-do-da-day. Oh, so here we are, what is the day? Day 5 of the hashtag MLM Hangout live experiment. So how is everyone? How are you all doing on this Friday? Whoop whoop! I am so happy it's Friday. What have you been up to today? I've been out actually running a music session this morning, which was amazing. It is so nice. Just once a week, I still get to go out and sing and dance with the children. So that is flipping amazing. But the reason for me popping on today, as well as to see how everyone is to chat about one of our products. So I have mentioned that this is part of the MLM Hangout live challenge, and their challenge today is to do a demo on one of our products. So I have got with me the Scentsy Go. And the Scentsy Go is literally as it sounds. You can take this absolutely anywhere and have fragrance anywhere. I took this, now I ride a motorbike, I've got a Kawasaki Vulcan 650, and myself and my other half, we last year we were really lucky. We managed to get a week's holiday in August when it kind of opened up for that little window. So we did get away for a week and we rode the motorbikes down to Cornwall, had a lovely week away on the bikes riding round. But while we were there, I needed fragrance. So I popped the Scentsy Go in my panniers and took it on holiday with us. So this literally is a chargeable device. You charge it up via USB. And then once it's charged, you've got 18 hours worth of fragrance from this. How flipping awesome is that? So this is actually a fan diffuser. Okay, and what happens with our Scentsy Go, if I open it up, in there, oh, there's a pod. In there is a little fan. Okay, and what happens is you put in our super duper pods. These come in a twin pack. So you get two in a pack. That says try me because it was lent to somebody in one of our borrow baskets. So you get 2 in a pack. You get 120 hours worth of fragrance from one of these. How amazing is that? And then all you do, I'll pop the one back in that was in there. It's one of my favourites, coconut lemongrass. I love that in this because I have this in my bathroom normally, if it's not in my motorbike pannier. So you pop one of these in, or you can put 2 in if you want to. It's up to you how strong you want the fragrance. And all you do, once the pod is in, is you turn it on. So the fan is just here, so you switch it on. And then a little light comes on, and you know it's on. Well, you can hear it and you can definitely smell it, but it's got 2 modes. So that is now in continuous mode. So that will now just keep whirring round, sending out fragrance continuously. But you can, if you want to, pop it in eco mode. So all you do is press it again. The little light goes green, and now that's on an intermittent mode. So it will come on, go off, come on, and go off. But what is also cool about our Scentsy Go is you can light it up. So if I press this button, oh, can you see that? That's come on. So this is now going to cycle through different colours. So you can have it cycling through the colours and it will change green, purple, pink, blue, yellow. It will cycle through, or if you prefer, if you want it to match in with your decor, you can just have it set on one colour. So you could just have it set on yellow, for instance, and just have it that colour. Now it's a little bit difficult to see the colours. Normally it does, it lights the whole thing up when it's dark, but in here it's a bit light, so you can't see it as well. But there we go, that is the Scentsy Go. So you literally, as I say, charge it up and you're good to go. You can take it anywhere. People have them in cars, caravans. As I say, I use mine in my bathroom because obviously there's no plugs in the bathroom, so it's ideal for in my bathroom, downstairs loos, in your porch, anywhere you like that you want instant. And it really is an instant, oh, it smells so good. I love coconut lemongrass. An instant burst of fragrance. So there we go. A little demo of the Scentsy Go. I'm going to just very quickly, can you see if I swizz the camera around? Oh, jazzy jellyfish. There we are. And I've got it all set up in here. I don't know if you can see. just turn the camera around. I don't know if you saw that very easily, but we've got an online party tonight, so I'm looking forward to that. So I'll be going live a little bit later on a friend of mine's party. She's invited some friends and we're all going to be obviously at home alone, but you can be in your PJs with a glass of wine having a Scentsy party. How awesome is that? I'm going to let you get off. Have a lovely, lovely rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend. I shall see you tomorrow. I shall hop on live at some point. So take care, guys. Bye.